Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Bukky. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope you stay, subscribe, and be a part of the family. Today's video, I'm going to be doing a get ready with me makeup look. But the most part, it's going to be all drugstore makeup. And yeah, let's get into the video. Sorry guys, if it's a little bit loud, they're just cars going back and forth. So I apologize about that. But yeah, for my brows, I'm going to be using the brow pomade by Girl in dark brown. This is my first time trying it. It's still brand new. And yeah, let's see what it's like. I'm brushing up all my eyebrows to the top. I'm using the Girl Pro Concealer, and my shade is in Beautiful Bronze. But I'm going to add a little bit of Toffee, and I'm going to carve it out. I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution bronzers in deep, dark, and deep, and I'm going to use that for my eyes. You know, use it for multi-purpose. I'm taking deep, and I'm going to put that in the outer part of my lid. And now I'm going to take the deep one, if I can open it, and apply that on my lid, more so. And then just blend it together using a very light hand. Now I'm going to take my battered up Wet n Wild highlighting powder, and if I still have the name, crown of my canopy. I'm gonna apply that in my inner corner. You can get this at the drugstore for like $5. And you want to make sure you blend it. Then I'm gonna use the brush that I used to apply the second bronzer and just blend it together. I'm gonna take my affordable gel liner by e.l.f. and apply that very close to my lashes. All the products that I'm using will be listed down below in the description. So I'm going to go ahead and apply my lashes. These are MBKglam lashes in K. Let me show you guys what it looks like. These are the style I'll be applying, and this is style K. If you guys are interested in buying these lashes, please DM me on Instagram at MBKglam and let me know which style you guys want to get. So the lashes are on. Okay, so just to make sure that this blends in seamlessly, go ahead and line the top again with a black liner. See that? And make sure it blends in very nicely. Alright, now that the eyes is done, let's get into the base and the complexion stuff. Today I'm going to be using the Loreal, I don't know how you pronounce it, True Match foundation, and I'm combining this two shades. It's so the C9.5 is a cool undertone, and the N10 is neutral, which I have. So I'm gonna mix this too. The only thing I hate right now about this foundation is, oh my god, it can be messy. If you guys are considering getting that, just be mindful. Before I start my foundation, I like to clean up the top of my brow with foundation instead of concealer, just to avoid that highlighting line on top of my brow. And this blend nicely into my foundation. Alright, now we go in with the makeup and then just blend. Don't forget to still blend in the brow part. So you guys see how that match my skin color? Like, because my face is lighter than my chest. So sometimes when I do buy my foundation, I just end up mashing it to my face. Because I'm going to end up using a light concealer anyway, so everything ends up like blending together. See, I only wanted a little bit more, and look at how much came out. Don't forget in between your brows. My concealer, I'm going to use the Beautiful Bronze Concealer again by Eliga Pro Concealer. And so I'm not bringing that up because when I'm blending it out, it's going to go up automatically, and I don't need the concealer going into my eyes. I'm going to add a little bit of Toffee to mix it up. Toffee is a bit lighter than Beautiful Bronze. The sponge is spreading the concealer up. That's why I didn't put it upward when I was applying it. I've heard this trick before that if you leave your concealer a little bit to set, you get more of a full coverage. Let me know down in the comment below if you guys have tried that or if you guys like that method. I forgot how much I love my lashes, man. I haven't worn this style in a long time, and it's giving me life right now. Alright, for today I'm going to set the concealer using the black opal finishing powder in neutral light. I really like the finishing, the way this powder is set. It's very, very smooth. It's not a setting powder. It's actually for people that are much lighter in complexion than me to set their face when they're done with their makeup, or to like bring all the makeup together. I'm gonna use a bit of a fluffy brush and dust it off. Gonna be using that for my bronzer today. This is just to bring color to my face, warm it up a little bit. I'm going to apply blush. This is from the BHCosmetic Blush Glamourous 10 color. Using the Wetnwild, I'm going to highlight the eye point of my cheeks. Wow. You see that? Wow, wow, wow. Also to the arch of my brows. Alright, Now I'm going to use a complexion powder. I'm taking the Maybelline Fitme loose powder, loose finishing powder, and this is in dark, and I'm going to use it to bring everything on my face together. Okay, before I do my under eyes and put my liner, I'm going to spray my face. I'm going to spray my face. Okay. I'm going to go in with this Maybelline Lasting Drama Matte Black Eyeliner. I'm taking a regular lip liner, a brown lip liner. I think I got this from 99cent store. And just line my lip. And I'm going to use this lip gloss. This is Loreal Infallible Pro Matte Liquid Lipstick. And this is Nudist in 354. And the NYX Butter Gloss in Praline. So I'm going in with the Loreal first. A little bit. And then NYX. So this is it for the makeup look. Now let's get to the outfit. I'm going to go change and I'll be right back. Alright people, this is the outfit. This is the outfit I'm wearing. My sister gave this to me and she got it from AliExpress. It's very cinched. I love the ruche to hide the belly, you know. And then I pair it with this black bag and this sandal from Fashion Nova. Okay guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share this video with your friends. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. Stay blessed and stay beautiful. Bye.